Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair this Lenovo HT30 with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to input them into this charging case and then plug with the cable to charge them at least to the 50%. After that, we have to simply take them out of this case, the left and the right one. And when you take a look on these indicators, as you can see, they are blinking on the red and the blue, and after a few moments it's only the left one that is blinking. It means that they are synchronized, so everything is fine right now, and they are also in the pairing mode. So it means that right now they are visible to other devices and we can connect them by the Bluetooth. So put them close to your MacBook, and right now we have to simply go to the settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth. It's located right here on the left side. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on this little switcher, and right now we have to wait until the Lenovo HT30 pops on the screen. There is also the chance that the name is the headset, so if it is not going to be visible on the list, we're gonna try to plug this headset name. It sometimes happened that the default name just changed. Okay, I think that we can try right now, because there's no need to waste your time. And as you can see, after tapping on this headset, the name has changed for the HT30, and we are right now connected. And when you take a look on these buds, the lights are not blinking anymore. There is also the blue light that pops for a few seconds. So yeah, that's how it looks. There's also one thing that I can show you and recommend you to check. Just open the sound settings and be sure that the output and the input is switched for your HT30. As you can see, we have to switch it manually right here. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.